Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Corsair iCUE Link powered XH405i custom power cooling kit. So friend, Corsair unveiled the iCUE Link XH405i RGB, the latest evolution in its award-winning HydroX series of custom cooling kits. Since the launch of the original XH305i kits in 2020, Corsair has revolutionized the custom cooling market, offering enthusiasts a comprehensive package that simplifies the entry into custom cooling, and these kits have successfully introduced thousands of new DIY builders to the hobby. And friend, the kit is available in steel gray or white bundles, everything you need to set up a stunning iCUE Link enabled CPU custom cooling system, and these include a high efficiency CPU water block, top tier D5 pump, Reservoir Combo unit, 3 stunning QX120 RGB fans, 360 performance radiator, and more. And taking advantage of the game-changing iCUE Link ecosystem that vastly reduces the complexity of a component connection and makes custom cooling a genuinely accessible hobby for enthusiasts of all levels, not just the most dedicated builders. And friend, the inclusion of 3 QX120 RGB fans alongside the XR5 360 radiator ensure optimal heat dissipation, while 148 individually addressable RGB LEDs across the entire cooling setup offer endless customization option through Corsair iCUE software. And friend, Transparent XT Hardline Tubing completes your loop, easily shape and cut to your needs with included XT Hardline Bending Toolkit. And friend, the XG7 RGB ELITE CPU water block delivers extreme cooling performance with a premium copper cold plate and hexa-flow cooling engine. It is compatible with a wide range of Intel and AMD processors, supporting LG 1700 and AM5 or AM4 sockets. And friend, the XD5 RGB ELITE Pump or Reservoir Combo is powered by the widely popular D5 PWM pump and features 440 ml integrated nylon reservoir, and both units come with innovative in-loop temperature sensors and that enable next level cooling performance control thanks to the intelligent. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.